this channel is about wellness and all sorts of ways we can improve our wellness. And of course, one of those ways is light therapy. And I've been very keen on using it for last 2 years. And since I lent my light to my parents in Poland, I was really missing out on it. So I decided, okay, I think it's enough. Let's go and get some new lights for us. And in this video, I would like to share with you what I decided to choose and why. So if you are interested in light therapy, please stay with me. Over 2 years ago, I bought this light, Platinum LED Bio 300, and it was great. At that time, I felt like I wasn't ready to buy something more expensive and bigger because, I wasn't sure, does it work, does it not work, how would I feel about it, how would I feel doing the therapy. So at that time, it was ideal light for us to buy. But of course, over 2 years, I learned so much about it. I felt like that I really enjoy doing it and I gain benefits from it. I decided that now it's time to move our light therapy at home to the next level. And I ordered 2 panels for us. And this time, these panels are from different company, which is called Mito Red Light. I'm still very much in favor of Platinum LED lights, and I really think that they are one of the best on the market. But I've searched the market right now, what is available. That many things has improved since I bought my lights 2 years ago. There are new companies, new models, new lights on the market, new technologies, new improvements. So I decided to do a thorough search of the market to find what is best for me right now in this moment. And because I come from Krakow, and people from Krakow are very well known for being thrifty, I always check how much money I spend and how much light I gain. I know some brands, they create very premium looking therapy lights for enormous amount of money. I am not happy to spend this kind of money on this because I feel like, I buy light. I don't buy just pretty looking equipment. So in order to be sure that I make the right choice, I really checked all the specs, all the different models, and after all, I decided to go for different brand, which is called Mito Red Light. And Mito has got 3 different series of lights. So one is the budget light, very simple. Then is the middle range light, which is called MOD. And then is this premium top spec and top quality, and of course, top price pro range. And I checked all the specs and I decided I really like the middle range MOD most. And let me explain why. So for me, it's important that my therapy light looks nice and elegant in my bedroom. In my opinion, Mito MOD line, it meets that criteria. They look very nice, they are nice black color, and they will fit very nicely in my bedroom or in another place. I haven't actually decided yet in which place they will be at the moment. Another good thing about those lights, they are modular. As the name says, MOD from modular. And I can connect them together and have one big panel of lights, which allows me to do full body session very quickly and very effectively. And the other good characteristic of this light is that they also allow me to hang them on the mobile rack or horizontal rack. So in the future, when I move to bigger house, when I will have more space around, then I can use this mobile rack to move them from one bedroom to another, because this will allow whoever wants to do the session to have the therapy at the convenience of their own bedroom. Bear in mind, we do light therapy naked, so it's important that you feel comfortable and cozy and nobody is going to disturb you. Because if you feel okay with it, you will do it more often. And if at any time it feels stressful or uncomfortable, then of course you won't do it as often as you're supposed to. So with light therapy, consistency is the key for getting good results. So you need to do the sessions at least 4 or 5 days in a week. Otherwise, you won't see much benefits from it. So if you enjoy doing it, you will of course do it often. And if anything gives you excuse not to do it, you will not do it. And of course, what's the point? You invest in this light therapy equipment to make the most of benefits from light therapy, and of course to improve your health, your looks and your energy. And it's important that you really enjoy it. In this channel, I cover many interesting topics regarding to our wellness, but I created a specific YouTube channel only about my experiences with light therapy. So if you are really interested in this, please check the link in the video description below. If you've never heard about the benefits of light therapy, please check out my website where I explain what is it, how it works, how easy it is, and what therapy lights are best for you right now. Red therapy is a very natural and gentle form of improving our wellness on many levels, and what I really like about it, that everybody can do it. If you can sit in front of the light for 10 minutes and you are able to turn the switch on, you are qualified to do it. That's just as easy as this. If you want to see actually how easy it is to do light therapy at home, please check out one of my videos here. Light therapy used to be very expensive because we used to use lasers. They were very expensive to produce, and of course they require special skills because they were dangerous to use. But now, thanks to the advancement in LED technology, it's much more safer, and what's most important, it's much more affordable. Now the cheapest lights cost about $200–300, which allows everyone who is interested in improving their wellness, improving their skin, having more energy, and generally feel better and look better, to benefit from this therapy at home. I've been working in physiotherapy for 9 years, and I can tell you that we never have used light therapy during our sessions. Why? Because it's not popular, although the therapy students I met during this time all learned about red light therapy, the benefits, and how, for instance, people use it in football clubs when they do physiotherapy for athletes or top footballers. We also know that red light therapy is used by dentists and doctors, especially dermatologists who work with skin problems, skin conditions. Red light therapy is really well researched and well proven, but for some reason that knowledge is not popular. And I think I know why. Because our current paradigm is that we have the pill for every ill, and the pharmaceutical industry wants to sell you more pills. They are not really interested from you getting better because they will lose money. So they are not interested in promoting or allowing promotion of something which is total competition to them. And if you, thanks to the red light therapy, could relieve some pain in your joints or maybe arthritic hands, then of course you will buy less paracetamol or other painkillers, and of course that company won't earn money. They will lose you as a client. If you find information in this video helpful, please give it a thumb up. I really appreciate it. Check out my website. You can find link in the video description below if you are interested in buying some therapy lights from Mito Red Light or Platinum LED. Please use my name as a coupon code. You will get a discount. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.